You are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi, and in today's video we are going to be looking at SK Duchess Shower Gel. Today's review is about SK Duchess Shower Gel. These shower gels are trending, everybody's talking about them, people are saying how effective they are, and to be honest, they are very effective. There are 5 types and I've used all 5, guys. I have used all 5. These are products made in Thailand. They are very effective when it comes to cleansing your skin, lightening your skin, brightening your skin, nourishing your skin, treating your skin. Even if you have stretch marks, there's some that are dedicated for stretch marks, there's some that looks after your spot, and they just have very good combined actives that makes them to stand out and makes them to give beautiful, amazing results. So these shower gels are 5 different types, and I'm going to just touch on each of them briefly so that this video is not too long. The way I'm going to do this is to categorize them into 2 types. So there's some that are shower gel scrub that has exfoliating particles, and there's some that are just normal shower gel. So that's how I'm going to do this review today. So we're going to start with the ones that have scrub particles in them, those that can actually exfoliate and also cleanse the skin. And the first one is going to be the Glow Dew Milk Glutathione with alpha arbutin. I'm going to insert the picture because they're too heavy, I can't carry them home to come and make this review, so I'm just going to put their picture in this video so that you can see. So this particular one is very good when it comes to anti-aging. It helps to fight stretch marks, it also cleanses, exfoliates and moisturize the skin. And this is very important when you are getting soap or body wash to wash your body. You need the one that is not just stripping out your natural oil. You need the one that is going to leave your skin moisturized and soft at the end of the day, not the one that is going to dry you out. So this particular one helps to achieve your desired result over time. It is also very good. It helps to regenerate skin turnover, it helps to exfoliate like I said before, and it's going to give you an amazing smooth result. This shower gel alone is not going to whiten you. I'm sorry if that offends you, but that is the truth. This shower gel alone is not going to bleach your skin. Shower gels are not actually formulated to do that. They will help by making sure that your skin turnover is happening, by making sure that your skin is exfoliated, so that when you have new skin cells, it helps your lotion or your oil or any other thing that you're applying on your skin to work better. Something that you are putting on your body for 1 minute is not going to whiten you, guys. Be wise, but it will help. It's like what you need to get to where you're going. That's what shower gel does because of the work that it does on the skin. The second shower gel is going to be Gluta-Berry Vitamin C Collagen Kojic Acid Shower Scrub. This one is also very good when it comes to aging skin. It is recommended for people who are matured skin. Everybody can use it, but specifically for people that have matured skin. People who are facing stretch marks, who have wrinkles, who are really aging, who have saggy skin, that needed something to help to lift their skin and to firm their skin. This is going to be a great choice for you. It has a very strong cleansing and moisturizing effect. It foams beautifully and they all smell nice. It helps to achieve your desired result. It's creamy but well hydrating. It lightens and exfoliates. So those are the things that I ask you guys to look out for when you are choosing a shower gel. Something that will hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, that will not leave your skin dry. Any product that leaves your skin dry is not going to allow your other product to work. You need something that will hydrate and moisturize your skin, still cleansing beautifully. And that is what you get from these shower gels. So the third one, that is the shower scrub, is the Vitamin C Collagen with Turmeric Extract Shower Gel. I'm going to insert the picture. So this one also exfoliates. It has exfoliating beads in it, and it will help to exfoliate your skin, especially for people who don't like to exfoliate or who are very busy, don't have time to do the 2-3 times a week exfoliation. You can definitely make this your day-to-day shower gel, but please still try and use your scrub once a week or once in 2 weeks at least. It's very important for you to get good results. This one is perfect for dry skin, people with dry skin, people that have flaky skin, people that have cracked skin, people that need a lot of moisture in their skin. This particular one, the vitamin C collagen with turmeric, is perfect. It will help to smoothen out your skin. The vitamin C will help to tone your skin, to lighten your skin. It is also going to help to regenerate your skin cells. Collagen will bring a lot of elasticity to your skin, and it will help to firm and tone your skin. So it is good for dry, flaky skin, anti-aging, and also good for all skin type. Now let's look into the two that are just the shower gel, which these two are actually the most popular ones. But you have to understand that these first three that I've just talked about, they have that exfoliating effect, and this two does not. So these ones are just shower gels, but it doesn't mean that they're better than each other. It's just that what they do, their function will be different. So this first one is the L-glutathione with anti-stretch mark shower gel. I'm going to insert the picture. This one gives premium whitening according to the manufacturer. They are anti-aging, they help to brighten the skin, they nourish the skin, they revitalize your skin, and help you to achieve a radiant, even skin complexion. I actually like this one. It also smells nice. Let me know, forget to mention that they all have very, very good fragrance in them, and they're all very, very lathering. They have a lot of foams, so they give you proper cleanse. Honestly, this particular one, I like it because I feel like it helps to also rejuvenate the skin. Anything that can strip you of your dead skin cells will give you a new skin turnover, and will give you like a very, very well rejuvenated skin. So this one is very popular. The glutathione in it will help to lighten your skin, brighten your skin. But like I said at the beginning, don't look at shower gel for whitening. It doesn't really do whitening by itself. Now, the last but not the least from the shower gel is the Blood Orange Blossom. Oh my god, this one is super hydrating on the skin. It really nourishes the skin. It's super cleansing, it brightens, it fades dark spots. This one I really like. I like all of them because I've used all of them. I like all of them, to be honest. It smells nice as well. I like the way it makes the bathroom to smell after you finish using it, and it's good for all skin type. Like this shower gel, all skin type can use it, whether you are dark, you are black, you are green, whatever skin color, you can use it. Like I said, it is not going to whiten you, it is not going to bleach you, but it will even out your skin. Because I have a customer, a male customer, that have uneven skin, and this is the shower gel that he uses, and he was telling me the other day that, Kemi, my skin is now looking more even now than before. He is on his third bottle. He's not bleaching, he's not using any other thing. He's using almond lotion with this shower gel, and is really happy with the result that he's getting. These shower gels are very good wash off products, that they cannot whiten you, but they will brighten your skin, and they will prepare your skin, make your skin ready for the next stage, which is whether your oil or your soap. If you have those whitening mulatto soap, you can always use them together to achieve better results. These are very good shower gel that will moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, glow your skin, and give you a very good radiant skin tone. Now, I know some people will tell you that one is stronger than the other. That is another lie. They all have the same strength, they have different ingredients, and they have different purposes that they serve. So when you are buying, just look for the one that targets your issue. That will give you the result that you want. Have you tried this product? Let me know in the comment section. If you are interested in buying, I sell, you can go to my website www.sportgisbeauty.com. You can also walk into our Nigerian store at Ibadan and buy whatever you need. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your family and friends who are looking for what to use. This is a good product that you can use. Until next time, stay blessed.